How to check delivery fees and service fees on Grubhub. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Grubhub on your device. Here, make sure your location is correct at the top left. After that, simply select the restaurant you want to order from, and you'll find all the menu items. Select the one you prefer, click on the plus icon, it will be added to your cart. Press on add to bag. After you've done that, at the bottom, click on view order. After you click on view order, scroll down, you'll find delivery fee in here. For my location, delivery fee is $1.99 and for the service fee is $3.71. And you will also find other fees like government charge, which is retail fee, and tax as well. And then after this, you can press on proceed to checkout and add order. This is how to check delivery fees and service fees on Grubhub. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.